Welcome to Wheel Check Review. Today, we're stepping into the world of rolling luxury and unstoppable power. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a masterpiece of engineering that turns the open road into your own private kingdom. Imagine the legendary Kenworth truck DNA combined with the luxury of a 5-star suite. That's exactly what this beast delivers. The W900 has always been a symbol of American trucking power, and now in 2026, it's been reborn as a home on wheels designed for those who refuse to settle for less. When you look at it from the outside, the presence alone commands attention. A long, bold front nose, shining chrome accents, massive wheels, and that unmistakable Kenworth grille that screams dominance. It's not just a motorhome, it's a statement of success and freedom. People don't just drive the W900 motorhome. They live in it, they travel across states, and they experience comfort like never before. Under the hood, the W900 keeps true to its heritage, powered by a massive diesel engine that delivers both strength and endurance. You can feel that raw torque every time you touch the pedal. The ride is smooth yet powerful, giving you full control whether you're cruising through highways or climbing mountain roads. Step inside, and it feels like you've entered a luxury penthouse on wheels. The interior is breathtaking. Premium leather seating, soft LED lighting, a fully equipped kitchen, a luxurious bedroom, and even a designer bathroom. Every inch has been built to deliver pure comfort. The craftsmanship inside is top tier. Every detail feels rich and thoughtful. The insulation keeps the cabin quiet, so you only hear the calm hum of the road ahead. Technology hasn't been forgotten either. From touchscreen controls and smart climate systems to entertainment panels and voice assistants, the W900 motorhome makes every journey high-tech and effortless. It's designed for travelers who want both performance and peace of mind. Whether you're a long-haul driver turning dreams into adventures, or a luxury traveler who wants freedom without compromise, the 2026 Kenworth W900 motorhome gives you everything: muscle, luxury, and soul. It's not just transportation, it's transformation. If you've ever imagined what perfection on wheels looks like, this is it. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. Thanks for watching Wheel Check Review. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing vehicle stories coming your way. See you in the next video.